Well, given my backdrop, Nikki, you might think that I'm at a seaside on a beach or something like that, or maybe in a garden, but actually I'm at the landscape gardening skill area, and it's actually been a lot of fun. Now, as you've mentioned, landscape gardening is a very important part of our everyday life, and I would say that my in-laws are probably very jealous of me right now because this is one of their favorite pastimes, to decorate their own garden. And I've seen these men and women working their socks off here. It's literally very, very busy, very, very noisy. In order to be a master of that craft, you have to know not only the basic things about how plants and trees grow. You also have to know what weather conditions are, affecting the growth of these plants. You also have to be able to construct things, and it's a multifaceted skill, essentially. As you've already reckoned, I like to throw fun historical facts at you, and here are some of those. Now, scientists believe that Mesopotamians were in fact the first people to cultivate gardens. That goes back as far as 10th century before Christ. In the 17th century, in the Netherlands, a tulip bulb would cost 10 times the salary of an average citizen of Holland. And one could actually build a stone house with that money. Now, the famous French painter Claude Monet has his own gardens in the small French village of Giverny, where he constructed those, and those have become famous. Now, also the famous hanging gardens of Babylon are believed to be the prototype of what we know as landscape gardening today, and it's known as the Seven Wonders, one of the seven wonders of the world. So right here, we can see these men. I believe they are from the team of Hungary. They are creating a little garden of their own as well. But this is one of the biggest skill activity areas here in this particular hall. It's literally huge, and work has been going on here non-stop, a lot of fun, and I've actually tried my hand in one of those skills as well, but I believe you'll be able to see that later. So I'll go to the next one, and the next one promises to be just as exciting as this one.